Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you with breaking news coming from the national capital of Delhi, where Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's PA Bibhav Kumar has today been sacked by Vigilance Directorate in obstruction case that backs 16 years old. While Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal remains lodged in Tihar jail in money laundering case linked to the Delhi excise policy, Bibhav Kumar, after 2 days of questioning by the Enforcement Directorate in the Delhi excise policy, has today been sacked by Vigilance of Directorate and has been terminated. Let me take you through more details. Bibhav Kumar, personal assistant to jail Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, has been terminated from his service. An action in this regard has been taken up by the Directorate of Vigilance in connection with the case pending against him for obstruction. Special Secretary Vigilance YVVJ Rajashekhar passed the order citing a case of 2007 pending against Bibhav Kumar in which he was accused of obstructing government work. Order said that the competent authority hereby terminates the engagement of Bibhav Kumar in terms of the provisions of Rule number 5 of the Central Civil Services, Rule 1965, with immediate effect. The order also stated that the charges against Bibhav Kumar are grave in nature, including charge of assault or criminal forces to deter a public servant from discharging his duties. Here is what the order said. It is observed that the charges against Bibhav Kumar are grave in nature, including charge of assault or criminal force to deter public servant from a discharge of his duties, for which the trial against Bibhav Kumar is at the stage of evidence and therefore Bibhav Kumar is not clear from a vigilance angle, it said. Any serious lapses in the verification procedure could result in an appointment of persons and personal staff of ministers, MP and other government bodies who are otherwise not eligible to man the post. This is fraught with dangers because such persons could also have access to sensitive information and data, the order added. The action comes 2 days after Directorate of Enforcement questioned Bibhav Kumar and Aam Aadmi Party MLA Durgesh Pathak in money laundering case probe related to irregularities in Delhi excise policy of 21-22. ED investigators started questioning Bibhav Kumar on Monday soon after he deposed before them in the morning, while Pathak's questioning began when he reached the agency office in afternoon following summons issued against them separately. Earlier in February, the ED also questioned Bibhav Kumar and recorded his statements in connection with the case under the provisions of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This move comes days after the federal agency arrested Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, AAP Supremo. This move comes days after federal agency arrested Delhi Chief Minister and AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal in the same case. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.